In the world of business jets, every minute counts. Meet Wingwork, the modern way to manage aircraft maintenance. Wingwork helps you keep track of your planes easily. You can see what's happening right away and do everything quickly. What makes Wingwork special? It's a big help. It saves time, saves money, and helps you stay ahead with its robust reporting. Step into the future of aircraft maintenance with Wingwork. With Wingwork, you get more time fixing and less time clicking. With Wingwork, your team can focus on what they do best, keeping your fleet flying in top condition. Say goodbye to unnecessary complexity and hello to streamlined efficiency. Wingwork are the modern solution for modern challenges in aircraft maintenance. Join us with Wingwork, where making things easy is our goal. Try it out today.